Hello, this is Richard Wilson of the Family Office Club. I wanted to record this short video. I'm here in downtown Monterrey, Mexico, and I was just speaking at a family office conference here. And I want to record and focus your energy for just 1 minute on the fact that the weight of the words you use matter a lot more than it seems like most people in the investment industry really realize. A lot of people are creating family offices and calling it Wilson Capital, or they're writing a one-pager to pitch a real estate investment, and they're putting a generic company name at the top of the one-pager instead of a one sentence that's actually compelling. A lot of people are leaving voicemails just saying that they want to meet without carefully choosing the words that shows why it's such a qualified meeting and why this opportunity is really custom set and curated to be working on together. And a lot of people are naming investment divisions or buying operating companies and not being thoughtful on the company names I found. And I think it's because everybody comes from different backgrounds, but the weight of the words really matters a lot. And I think that you convey a sense of thoughtfulness and articulation that shows focus and shows a long-term dedication to what you're doing when you are very careful and intentional about being very clear with everyone else in the world exactly what you're doing, what you're good at, what you don't want to do, what meetings you don't want to take. And it's more efficient and effective for yourself and everybody around you, and it gets appreciated. So you're able to make more progress throughout the day, and you can have the name of your family office or investment firm sweating for you in the marketplace, working for you day in and day out by being very intentional and explicit and aware of what the words mean when you choose one name over another. It seems like a very simple concept, but something over and over again is done wrong by private equity funds and family offices alike. So I hope this is helpful with you the next time you're naming part of your investment organization or a new investment fund or a new family office. It's Richard Wilson from the Family Office Club, and I hope to see you at one of our events soon. Take care.